Hey guys, it's Sadie, and today I'm going to be doing kind of like a build my new closet room with me. This used to be my sister's room, and then my sister moved into my brother's room. My brother moved downstairs, so now this is an empty room, and we're like, why not just use it as a space to put my clothes so everything can be more organized and I can like see everything. So I have my mother here to help me. I taught her well.
I'm a YouTube mom.
She's a YouTuber, she's a cool mom. We're going to set up some IKEA stuff, and I also just wanted to make an announcement here that's really weird, and I don't think anyone will expect it coming. Like, it's so different. I'm going to be changing this channel name from Sadie Says Hey to sadie.aldis, my full name, for a couple of reasons. Sadie.aldis also matches my other social media username, so it's like the same on everything except like Snapchat, I'm pretty sure. It's a name that no one else can have. Like, no one can have the name Sadie.aldis unless like some person decides to copy me. But yeah, so I'm gonna be changing this channel name to Sadie.aldis, so don't unsubscribe because you think it's a different channel. And we're just gonna get right on into this video. This video is gonna be like 90% time lapses, so I hope you enjoy that. Let's play my daily lift playlist. We actually have two of these Billy bookcases from IKEA. I'm gonna link everything down below what we bought. And then we have two clothing racks from IKEA. From IKEA! They fit perfectly. So we just built the two Billy bookcases and they fit perfectly on the wall right here. And now we're gonna build these two clothing racks that we got from IKEA. What are they called? Riga. Hopefully it's easy. This thing I've had in my room for a long time. I don't love it in this corner, so I said I might as well use it for like clothes storage because I'm not really like, there's random stuff in here that I could get rid of. So we're gonna take this into that room and flip it vertically, so I hope it'll fit between those clothing racks. But yeah, so we're gonna take everything out and then move it. Okay, so we have officially put the two Billy bookcases up on this wall, and over on this wall we have two racks and the thing that was in my room. We're gonna start filling it with clothes, and I hope I have extra room so I can go shopping more. So we realized that there's not going to be enough space for everything to fit into that room. So we're gonna have to take this closet organizer that I have in my old closet, like my current closet, and we're gonna put it in the other room. So let's do that. Closet here, because this was the guest room, we basically just put all of our extra jackets in here. But now since my closet's empty, we're gonna like keep it in there for now until we find another spot. So we're gonna empty all this out and put in a closet organizer, and then I can fit more stuff in here, so more storage. So it got significantly darker in here, but we are going to work with the yellow light bulb that we have. So this is going to be like the final tour of this room, even though it's not completely done. Like, we still have a couple things to do in here, but I wanted to kind of end off this video and upload it. So I'm gonna be doing a little tour. Obviously, we could have painted this room and decorated it and did like the whole 9 yards, but we figured we were only going to be in this house for like 1.5 more years. So I feel like it's not really worth doing that. So this is the full tour of the room. So this is from the door. We have these 2 Billy bookcases with my purses up there, and these are basically all of my tops and my hoodies and t-shirts, tank tops. Down here we have sweatpants, shorts, and jeans and leggings. Then we have this window and a little bench here, so when I'm putting on shoes, I can just sit there. Over here I have like my more dressy items, cardigans and dresses, rompers. Then down here you put this extra little bar so I can hang my skirts. And down here I have some shoes. Beside that I have this cubicle thing, and we just put a couple of boxes on it just to decorate it. And then I have my activewear in here and some hats and my workout shoes. There's my workout bag. Over here we have some of my jackets and my flannels, athletic jackets, sweaters, and casual t-shirts. Just a bunch of casual clothes, my belt hanging there, and some shoes down there. In this corner we have another one of those cubicles. It's the same one as over here, and I have socks, underwear, bras, tights, and bralettes, just kind of random things down there that are kind of ugly that I wanted to put in boxes. Over here I have my jewelry holder, rings, and some tacks so I can hang up my necklaces. This is the bulletin board that I had in my room that I took down, and I actually like it much better here, but we're gonna hang it up. Over here I have my laundry bin and then garbage, and here is the closet. So here I have, this is basically the only thing that I really needed here. I didn't need like a whole closet organizer. I have pajamas in here. Here I have all of my blanket scarves, and down there I have my bathing suits. So that is going to be it for this kind of room transformation video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video from Sadie Aldis, not Sadie Says Hey. Okay, peace.